The smartphone world moves fast, but every once in a while a device appears that makes people stop scrolling and start searching. In 2026, one of the names exploding across Google and YouTube is the TECNO CAMON 50 Ultra 5G Pro. Tech fans in the US, Europe, and other premium markets are suddenly asking the same question: how did this phone become one of the most searched devices of the year? The first thing people notice is the design. The CAMON 50 Ultra 5G Pro arrives with a premium glass and metal build that feels far closer to flagship territory than many expected. The curved edge display flows smoothly into a slim frame, giving the phone a futuristic look that easily stands beside far more expensive competitors. The large AMOLED display delivers deep blacks, vibrant colors, and ultra-smooth scrolling with a high refresh rate that makes everything from social media to gaming feel incredibly fluid. Watching movies or giving the phone a futuristic look that easily stands beside far more expensive competitors. The large AMOLED display delivers deep blacks, vibrant colors, and ultra-smooth scrolling with a high refresh rate that makes everything from social media to gaming feel incredibly fluid. Watching movies or streaming content feels immersive, with brightness levels designed to stay clear even under bright daylight. But the real story behind the CAMON series has always been the camera, and this device pushes that reputation even further. TECNO designed the CAMON 50 Ultra 5G Pro with an advanced multi-camera system focused on professional-level photography. The main sensor captures extremely detailed photos with excellent dynamic range, meaning bright skies and dark shadows can exist in the same shot without losing detail. Portrait photography is where the device really shines, producing natural background blur and studio-level skin tones that make faux. Night photography is another area where the device stands out. Thanks to improved AI image processing and a larger sensor, low-light shots come out brighter, sharper, and more natural than many phones in the same price category. Street lights, city skylines, and nighttime portraits all retain impressive clarity. For video creators, the phone supports high-resolution video recording with strong stabilization, making handheld footage look smooth enough for social media creators and mobile filmmakers. Powering everything inside the CAMON 50 Ultra 5G Pro is a fast modern processor designed for multitasking, gaming, and AI features. Apps open quickly, switching between tasks feels seamless, and heavy games run smoothly without lag. Combined with generous RAM and storage, the phone is built for people who demand speed every day. Whether you're editing photos, recording video, or jumping between multiple apps, the performance keeps up without slowing down. Battery life is another reason this device is trending globally. The large battery is designed to easily last through a full day of heavy use, including streaming, photography, and gaming, when it finally does need charging. Fast charging technology brings the battery back to life quickly, meaning you spend less time waiting near a wall outlet and more time actually using your phone. Connectivity is also future-ready. With full 5G support, the CAMON 50 Ultra 5G Pro delivers extremely fast download speeds, smoother video streaming, and better online gaming performance. In markets where 5G networks are expanding rapidly, this makes a noticeable difference in everyday use. What surprises many tech reviewers is how the phone combines premium features with aggressive value. Flagship-style design, strong camera performance, powerful hardware, and long battery life all come together in a device that competes directly with much more expensive smartphones. That combination is exactly why searches for the CAMON 50 Ultra 5G Pro have skyrocketed across tech platforms in 2026. For creators, travelers, and everyday smartphone users, the device delivers a balance that many people are looking for right now: powerful cameras, reliable performance, modern design, and future-ready connectivity. It's not just another smartphone release. It's a device that shows how quickly the smartphone market is evolving and how new competitors are changing the flagship conversation. And if trends continue the way they are right now, the CAMON 50 Ultra 5G Pro might not just be one of the most searched phones of the year. It could easily become one of the most talked about smartphones of 2026. Future Circuit will keep exploring the technology shaping tomorrow, and the device is pushing innovation forward faster than ever. The next breakthrough might already be closer than we think.